So here is our final example for dividing. So the one thing you want to remember with dividing is it's pretty much the same as multiplying. We just need to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we need to do division, and then we're going to simplify, and then we're going to identify restricted values. So again, we basically, now we want to take the reciprocal of this fraction, so we just make the denominator the numerator and the numerator the denominator and multiply. So x squared plus x minus 20, x squared plus x. And if you have forgotten as to why the reciprocal works, then just look in your notes from the other day. We talked about it and give you a quick example. So what's the thing we always want to do? Factor. Just don't forget it. Just factor. So this is one of those perfect ones. So we're going to have x minus 2 times x plus 2. This one, we can't have two factors, so we want to pull out a common factor. So we're going to have x, and we're going to have x minus 4. We're going to factor this, so we want something that adds to give us 1 and multiplies to give us negative 20. So we're going to have x plus 5, x minus 4, divided by x. So on this one, we want to multiply to give negative 6 and add to give positive 1. So we're going to have x plus 3 times by x minus 2. So cancel out common terms. X minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 4. So we are going to be left with x plus 2 on the top times by x plus 5 divided by x times x plus 3. So here again, we have to do restrictions. So this is our final simplified answer. We want to identify it for all denominators. So in this case, this was the denominator at one point, and then now this is the denominator. So we actually need to find restrictions for this one, and this one. So again, use your factors. So we found factors here, we found factors here, and we found factors here. So you want to just set each one of those equal to 0. So give that a whirl, and you can check your answers with this. So the restrictions are x cannot equal 0, 4, negative 3, 2, and negative 5. And I want you to self-assess as to whether or not you got those. Come and see me if you are struggling with setting those to 0. And if not, that is the end of that example.